In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows security and quality fix. Now, the way that we can do this is first we wanna head in here and search for updates. Now click on view your update history. When this opens up, what you wanna do is go to uninstall updates, and then you wanna choose the latest one. Now, as you can see, this one is the latest one that I have. This is not a Windows one, so we don't care about that one. We have the Windows right here, the latest one. Right click and uninstall. Now, usually you get the error if there's a bad update that has some issues. So what we want to do is just do that. Then we can close it down. Then the next thing we want to do is head over to our troubleshoot. Open up the troubleshoot. Once you're in here, what you want to do is press additional troubleshooters. In here, you want to click on Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. Now wait for that to be done. And after that, what you can try is you can come down here and search for run. In run, type services.msc. Now this will pop up. And what you want to do is press anywhere and press W and then look for Windows Update. Now I have Windows Update right here. You want to double click on it. And in here, it should say either running or stopped. If it says running, just stop it. And then after 5 seconds, try and start it again. Now, as the last thing we can try is come down here and search for Windows Update, and then see if there's a new one that you have not taken that you can take, and that will maybe also fix the issue. Now, if none of this worked, a simple restart of the PC can fix the issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.